Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for test prep. In this short walkthrough, you'll learn a simple way to start using Claude as a study assistant for test preparation. This is especially helpful if you want support with reviewing topics, organizing your study plan, or practicing questions in a more interactive way. To begin, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. Starting a fresh conversation gives you a clean space to describe what you need help with. This is useful because it helps keep your study session focused from the start, especially if you want Claude to respond specifically to one subject, one exam, or one type of practice. Once the new chat window is open, take a moment to think about the kind of test prep support you want. The clearer your request is, the better the response is likely to be. For example, you might ask for help reviewing a subject, generating practice questions, explaining difficult concepts, or creating a study schedule. If you already know the exam topic or the area you struggle with most, it can help to include that in your prompt. Next, enter a sample prompt about test prep into the message box, and then press enter to send it. This is the main action that gets the conversation started. Your prompt can be short and simple, but it should clearly explain what kind of help you want. For instance, you can ask Claude to act like a tutor, quiz you on a topic, summarize material, or break down complex ideas into easier language. As Claude responds, pay attention to how specific the answers are. If the response is too broad, you can follow up with a more focused request. That back and forth is one of the most useful parts of using AI for studying. You're not limited to one question, so you can continue refining the conversation until the help matches your needs. A good tip is to treat the chat like a guided study session. Ask for examples, request practice tests, or have Claude explain why an answer is correct. That can make your prep more active and more effective than simply reading notes on your own. That's all it takes to get started. By opening a new chat, entering a test prep prompt, and continuing the conversation based on your goals, you can turn Claude into a helpful study companion for your exam preparation.